are going to solve exercise 15 in chapter 15, page 164 for grade 10 students. And it is about, this lesson is about the analytic form of scalar product, as you know. In number 15, we are asked to find two things. In first part A, we have to find the equation of the altitude passing through a point, which is O, the origin, in triangle OAB. In part B, we are going to find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the segment AB. So, two distinct parts, but we are given the same A and B, of course, okay? Equation of the altitude through O in triangle OAB. In order to find the equation, as you know, this is the lesson of scalar product. We should have dot product equal to 0 since we are given the altitude. So we have something perpendicular, okay? You know the altitude and the height in triangle through O in triangle OAB. So without drawing, we know that OM, for example, let M be a point on this line. So OM, if it is the altitude, is perpendicular to AB, okay? Or MO. M is X and Y. In order to find the equation of a line, we should have something like a variable point M of coordinates X and Y. So MO now is perpendicular to AB since it's an altitude or a height. So OM dot AB equal to 0. What is OM? Since M is X and Y, so OM is also X and Y. If we insert the origin to any point, it will give the same coordinates at the point. And AB, you can find it easily, which is, as you know, XB minus XA and YB minus YA. So XB minus XA, YB minus YA. As you can see clearly here, I'm putting always the given like under each other's A and B to facilitate our work and find XB minus XA directly. You can see it, YB minus YA, and substitute it like here to get the answer 2 and minus 3. You can try it. Now we find the dot product x prime plus y prime. You know that the dot product is 0, so x prime plus y prime is 0. X of OM times x of AB. This is x prime plus y of OM times y of AB. This is y prime. We put it equal to 0 to find the equation. So it is 2 times x and plus minus 3 times y, which is 2x minus 3y equal to 0. This is the equation required. Okay, this is the altitude, and we finished the first part. Let's go in a few minutes to find the perpendicular bisector. As you know, and it is explained in the explanation of the lesson, that if we are asked to find the perpendicular bisector, we should first find the midpoint of AB, because it is a perpendicular bisector of AB. So find the midpoint of AB, then you get a point. We need a point and a normal vector to use the dot product equal to 0 and then find the equation. Okay? All right, now let us go. Let IM again. I will use always the variable point M of coordinates x, y in order to find the equation of a line. Okay, so I am perpendicular bisector of AB at I mean at I. So I explained here that I is the midpoint of AB. I'm using this symbol, the star, to facilitate our work. Now, so XI, as you know, and YI, this is the rule for them as a midpoint. XA plus XB over 2 and YA plus YB over 2. We substitute to get I 2.5. And okay, by calculation. Now what is IM? It is, as you know, IM is XM minus XI, which is X minus XI, YM minus YI, which is Y minus YI. YM is Y and XM is X. I hope that you are seeing everything clearly. So IM is X minus 2, okay, and Y minus a half. If you put M like here, X and Y, so X minus 2 and Y minus half. Okay, dot product between IM and AB should be 0, so let us multiply x prime and y prime to get the answer and find the equation this way. So x prime and x del AB times x del IM, 2 into x minus 2 plus minus 3 into y minus half equal to 0. We expand and simplify to get this answer, and we multiply by 2 to get rid of this fraction, and then we get the perpendicular bisector of AB. Thank you for good following and good luck. Assalamu alaikum.